Hi, my name is Muhammad Khurram Yusufi, and today in my video we are going into the vintage classic car show where we are at the Peshawar Club, and here we see a lot of cars like a Vespa scooter that is converted and extended, and more lot of other scooters and a nice Fiat, a Datsun pickup truck with a nice small bike on top. This show happens every year in Peshawar, and it's always a house full. There are a lot of people that visit this show, and here you see many good cars like the MG, Morrison garages, and a lot of new unique cars. People have worked really hard. They have given their sweat, blood, and time to each one of those cars. They have spent years, sometimes 5 years, 4 years, 6 years to get each part of this car because it's so tough to get them. They have to go to other places, other countries to get these parts. And as you can see, when you do, it makes a car unique. You have a beautiful, unique car that you can bring along and join the club and take it anywhere you want and make people's head turn by your car. Here, there are cars that are made in the 1960s, the 50s, the 40s. And here you can see a W111 car with an automatic transmission, which looks appealing and beautiful even in this age. Many media people had come to this show to cover all those cars and have their opinion by the people. Here we saw some stalls like the Mizan stall, and there were a lot of people here and there. And then we saw a nice, beautiful Atan dance that happens every year in this vintage car show. And here you can see they're trying their very best to, to show their moves and move around like no one else. Many people had gathered in this car show by coming from Karachi to Peshawar to Khyber by picking each and every individual from other cities from Lahore, Faisalabad, Multan, and all of those cars have gathered here to have the people look around their nice vintage cars. I would also like to add that our videos are available in other languages other than English. So if you have a difficulty to understand this language, you can have it in Urdu or Pashto so you can enjoy it freely. So please click on the link below and see our channel, and there you will see on our homepage three more channels with the same name but in different languages. This Mustang had came from Sindh, Karachi, and here you can see how beautiful it is. It is well restored. It is from 1966 and is still in its finest glory. As you can see, it has the original wheel cups, it has the V8 engine, it has all the chrome bits, it looks shiny and it's perfect. They did a very good job and I love it. There were nice American cars, German cars, and even some cars. They had the people, and it was all spot on. There were people here who had modified their old vintage cars like the Corolla E70 that is from the 1980s. So there are all kind of variety that you can find in this vintage classic car show. Now here you see a very rare Jeep, American release Jeep that was used and traveled by Pacha Khan to when he came back from Afghanistan, and Azim Khan Houthi was the first one who drove this Jeep, and also Abdul Wali Khan used to use this Jeep for his travels. This car show is always a decent one. It has the kids, it has the cars, and it's peaceful. So you can say it's one of the best. Here you can see there are even cars that are not a classic like the RX-8, but it's there, it's modified and it's well built. There were a lot of RX-8s, there were RX-7s, there were a lot of Corollas that were well modified. Everyone is welcome in this car show, vintage or not. You can bring it if it's well built. We have already interviewed many of these cars, so stay tuned for all those interviews and videos that are upcoming in this weekend. And I hope you like our video and subscribe to our channel and give us your opinions down below on the comments. We will love to know about them. Goodbye.